Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, after now, then go say, then they talk to you like baby. When your brain now like baby own, una don't start your insecurity for Lagos State now. That one don't they collect award, they go, Otikuro ni F99. It don't they go A1. Last week now, they shot my driver. The man parked motor, say, won't go buy food. They shot him from the back. And then talk say when they shoot them, now so they go carry their body go. Then go machete them, sell them. They don't they sell parts now. I don't know what is going on. No. Today they go shoot. Tomorrow they go shoot. Next tomorrow then they shoot people for car. It's becoming too much. Oh. You people should find something to do. Oh. This matter is becoming alarming. Oh. We cannot continue to keep quiet. Oh. My driver has been in General Hospital. Now on property, I know there one kobo where I go spend. Una must take anyway. Una don't they take your farm. So people now they are robbing them. What is going on? Jide, you don't leave the chief security officer work when they hire you for. Now Baba Jagaban they follow up and down. Now boy, now up and down. Now you don't leave your job. Now second time you they pursue and you they follow Jagaban. They go for next presidency. Body long don't tire you, Abi. You don't want die for body long, Abi. Arugo BT, so you can't to my land love from presidency. I don't blame you. Shebi when I talk the other day, people think I say make you come, make them support you go president go you, president kill all of you there. All of you are just rogues of broad daylight. Now every day in Lagos, robbery, attack, shooting. Why? Commissioner of Police, he was there, so Balaja. Mr. Egbeyemi, what is going on? It's not as if there's no money. It's one more body loan. Una lock money inside body loan. Una no think say people need security for Lagos State. Abi, if federal no work, I don't know why people are just so inhuman and insensitive. Oroyin, Abu Abani, Abu Abai people begin to teach citizens what they need to do right. Now they push people. Now they push people like this. Abi. Una don't turn Lagos State now. Una children. Our Mojagaban, our Ekumboro 9. Now then they carry cutlass, they carry gun, they hijack motor. Abi, as soon as Baba no give una food, in the pursue presidential ambition up and down. Una don't know what una go do again. Una don't come they attack innocent citizens. So presidential ambition now. All the people were supposed to gather together. Make them try to see as Nigeria go there great. I did Dubai now. I they ask questions, say, how Dubai take reach the level where Dubai dey? Person they tell me, say, now people gather in the first instance, put all their resources together and started investing it in the economy. I want to me Oshebe, my own people, they not do like that. I want leaders, now money una still una they keep inside una room, una they keep am for una house. It mean no igbe bullion vansile on one upcoming rogue. I think say now only Jagaban be the chief rogue. I don't know say some people there where we say those ones their rogality. He passed tester on. You Minister of Education, children dey on strike. Abi, children dey on strike. As soon no go school after na go say Nigerian youths are lazy. Children no go school. You carry 100 million. Bim. Oh, bye. Money where you supposed to pay at least if you know if pay everybody. Pay some people's salary. Let us know that whatever people are doing is for the benefit of we citizens. You people are really and truly struggling for we citizens. Una not do that one. And you like bad only kill na there. Kukuro efficient country. All of una won't come rush go presidency like say na there Nigeria go better. Uncle Emi, and you call a lot more thing. Want to fọpọlọ tẹ̀yìn wọ́n ngba tẹ́tí kúrú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn èyàn náà tó bá ti rí àti mọ̀ pọpọlọ yín náà kúrú. You want to come and continue the bad work, the rubbish that Buhari did, insecurity. You want to continue. Abi, you no see any of your children when you take money train go school, make them tell you say okay Uncle Yemi is coming for a new startup let's start from the scratch, let's rebuild Nigeria. You no see that slogan used. Let's rebuild Nigeria. You want to come and do continuity of Emefiele. Tala roba ni ko da fún lọ́sàn oni jo da fún. Bo lọ́sàn ba ni ko da fún alálẹ̀ oni jo da fún. You carry dollar, they trade dollar as you like. You carry Nigerians, they treat our destiny, our business as you like. All the money they carry and they steal, they keep. Now you won't come take wrong presidency. How much is your salary? Where you take 300 million? Alaye ni budget. You people are just bunch of shameless men. Bunch of shameless leaders put in positions that can restructure this economy and put this country in a better position. Una no go do am. After people will say you are doing it for we. After I go say not too young to run. Not too young to run. Where you expect person like me, if I decide say I want come contest, make I see 10 million, talk less of 100 million. Una sabotage the whole country. Una sabotage the whole country for una hand. You know go better for una. People where they deceive una, you know go better for una. Kukuro una official kore. Some of you, una children are imbecile. Have been just for water. You people don't have rest of mind. Yet you are so greedy. Your hearts are so consecrated. Article, they're supposed to give you certificate of attendance. Nothing where you won't do again. Ameshi, jogging kill you there. Jogging woo you there. You want no fear. You won't come run for presidency. The people that they kidnap under your administration as a minister of transportation, the people they kidnap, you have not been able to be running up and down to say, okay, they need to release them, you want to rescue them. All of you are running for presidency. When you can do what you can do, what you are supposed to do, even without being president of the country. Fire me. Let him up undercover and rubber letting CDD letting kobo. CDD letting fi pretense komi obe. Let him fi kwa on your lomi obelo. Now, since the days of CDD, you say you won't come out for presidency. Hey, you know what? Baba Jagaban, you know one die for body lobby. Ikoyi tire you, you won't go die for presidency. So that they go say he died as a president, they want to bury. Your ambition never complete. Emma your joke only. People where they deceive you. People where they deceive you now because of the money where you carry key for us, they won't collect finish for your hand. Ultimate penny, quarter to death. Me. Alafia, tolo yonda fun yin. Konle. Ya my father. Kò sí nǹkan tó disturb yẹn ṣùgbọ́n bàbá tí ó bá ti gbọ́nà sán àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lẹ́nu tán bá ti ní bàbá ẹ jókòó tẹ́ ẹ bá ti lè gbọ́nà sán àmọ́ yín lẹ́nu ẹ ti di bàbá àlè nìyẹn ẹ ti di bàbá àlè ní èkó ní èkó ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ mi ṣe kò so bàbá mi lẹ jẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin lọ́ba bàbá ọkọ mi lẹ jẹ́ so kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè fi mí ṣe ẹ̀ẹ̀kẹ̀lẹ̀ ní kán dá mi padà sí Ìjẹ̀bú tó ti gbé mi wá ṣùgbọ́n ètò ojú náà rẹ̀ ẹ̀ máa gbọ́ when people cannot tell people the truth. All of you should be men of shame. You invest abroad. You do things here and there. And you see your own country shattering and dying. Children are at home. They cannot go to school. People cannot afford to come together and say, okay, what does it cost? All of you kept 100 million under your pillow. Now ambition race come out. All of you are coming. For the interest of who? For your personal interest. Don't go all of you. Last, on my being for military. On my father hand the country over for military. And you le jaguda. Pretentious leaders that cannot think of their own children. Which citizens are your children? Now you are running for presidential race. Uncle Yemi pastor, envelope put on kofa won loba to work in. Just donation yen no. After una go say una dey donate. Wetin they donate una? Wetin una do wey they donate for una? If not, be said people where they donate for una self. Now, association of people where una won't go, when una won't go and embezzle public fund when una reach there. You know, say na investment. Jide, one rabule ko, ton ba ti bunyo ori yon pe. I will tell you that they insult them. They are talking to them as if it's not older than them. Age kill you there. Age. Security is very, very important in a metropolis city. You people should go and take care of security. And then she go and release the people that they kidnap. This is not the time to be running for presidency. Nigeria does not even need president. We want to be presidentless. We don't need presidency for anything. People should leave that seat alone and go and restructure Nigeria and make Nigeria better from your own department first. Nigeria will change. But it's only when we decide to change from one state to another, one department to another. That is when the change can be effective. But if all of you start thinking that it's when you get to presidency, oh no, you might be president in Remo Iloju. Emma do joko le, on TPI.